In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to upload contacts to Gmail. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in Google Contacts. Now, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one, contacts.google.com. You'll be directed to this kind of page. Make sure you are signed into your Gmail account. Once you're on the contacts page, at the bottom, you're going to find this plus option. You'll need to click on that. Now click on the option Create Multiple Contacts. Now you're gonna get this kind of pop-up. Click on the option Import Contacts. Now select your contacts file. This is usually a CSV or vCard file that you exported from another phone or email service. Click Select File, choose your file, and then click Import. After a few seconds, your contacts will be uploaded and automatically added to your Google contact list. You will be able to see all the names, phone numbers, and email addresses right here. If you notice duplicate contacts, you can use the merge and fix option in Google Contacts to clean things up easily. And that's it. This is how you can easily upload contacts to Gmail. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.